guys! Welcome back again to this channel. And for today's reaction video, we are going to watch the Katabi live version. At napakaswerte naman talaga ng mga blooms na nandito lang. na nandito. At this event is very intimate. Hindi ako naiinggit ako. Sana all. Kailan kaya tayo? Kailan kaya ako? Anyways, so, sana may mga ganitong session pa sila in the future and mapili tayo. Ay! Pero ang maganda kasi dito, wala talaga silang cellphone na talagang ma-enjoy nila. Live na kumakanta ang Beanie. So, more like this please sa lahat ng Beanie Global members. Ay! Panoorin na nga natin. Humahaba pa ang intro niya. Let's go! I've been waiting this. Right. Their vocals come on. So excited. Official live performance. Sa lahat ng Katabi enjoyer dyan.
I know that you may come around soon. I'm
Ganda ni Stacey.
about the way we met
Can opener.
that day. You gave me all the butterflies.
Oh, great,
fireworks,
Aya.
too. Stars align, watch your love bloom.
Bloom!
Bloom.
Yes! Tayo yon, Bloom.
Yakap-yakap aking una, di kita malilimutan. You belong with me. Sa
Their
bawat
vocals, come on.
sandali, I can't wait to see you again.
Oh my gosh.
Kita makita, mayakap, malambing.
Wow.
It feels like I'm missing a piece. Wag nang umalis.
Sarap pakinggan.
Got me living in a
Oh
daydream.
my
Got me
gosh.
going crazy. You know I miss my baby. Need you on a daily. Come on, let's be lazy. Don't need to serenade me. Yakap, yakap aking una. Di kita malilimutan. You belong with me. Sa bawat sandali.
Oh my gosh, ang ganda.
I can't wait to see you again. Gusto kita makita, mayakap, malambing.
Oh, Colette.
Sana please, wag nang umalis.
Sarap pakinggan.
Stay with me instead.
Oh my gosh.
Walang ibang makakapantay. Pag-ibig na panghabang buhay.
Wow, maloy.
Habang buhay.
Oh, Aya and Colette yun.
O kailan magkakasama ulit? 'Cause I can't wait to see you again.
Greatness, Gwen.
Gusto kita makita, mayakap, malapit. It feels like I'm missing a piece. Huwag nang umalis. Sana'y
Wow.
katabi. I mean what I said. Basta't katabi. It's us in the end.
Oh my gosh. Sagutan ng Mick Gwen.
Stay where we
What?
stay.
Grabe! Ang angas! Sagutan ng Mick Gwen.
Nakakakilig
Sobra, Jo. Nakakakilig yun. Oh my gosh, that's so crazy. Wow! Ang sarap pakinggan. Ang sarap ulit-ulitin nun. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Beanie, for that. Stream Katabi. Sa lahat ng Katabi enjoyer dyan. Ngayon ko lang siya na-appreciate. Actually, to be honest. Kasi I'm Bikini enjoyer and Infinity bias wrecker ko. Pero yung Katabi, oh my gosh, ang sarap pakinggan, sarap sa tenga, tapos damang-dama nila. Yung pagkanta nila, hindi siya maka-move on. Pero mamaya ko na lang ulitin kasi isasali natin tong Vinified the Post Show Fails. So, panoorin din natin to dahil medyo maikli ang video na to at bitin tayo kaya isasama ko to. Let's go! Ano ba nangyari after ng Vinified concert nila sa backstage? First scene on, of course, sa lahat ng Vini Global. Pinost din pala nila sa YouTube. That's why you can watch it there.
Hi guys!
Hey Jo,
Oh my gosh, na-overwhelm ako!
na-overwhelm siya.
Hi guys! We're done! We're done for today! Grabe, 2 hours of sleep! Natawid natin guys! Sana
2 hours
nag-enjoy
of
kayo!
sleep.
May mga blooms pa na nagpa-party sa labas. Hello! We are finally done!
Yay!
Ay, hello din bahay! We just finished! Let's party!
Yeah! Oh, grabe energy.
Hello din bahay! To all our friends!
Grabe energy ni Aya.
Na nasa bahay! And nasa iba-iba ng country!
Ay! Na para bang walang flight kinabukasan. 2 hours lang yung sleep nila tapos grabe. Ay! Oh! Ay! Sako mo.
Takot na lalamunan. Ano yan? We made it. We made it.
Yeah. Maloy.
ako?
Ikaw talaga.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hi, Gwen.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you din, bahay.
May PCD pa tayo.
Thank you so much.
We did. Okay, so that's it. Very short lang siya. Very short lang siya. And right, so I think that's all. Sa susunod naman yung iba para hindi ganun nakakasawa. Uy! I mean, nakakasawa ako panoorin. Wag natin isabay-sabay lahat. Anyway, so thank you Blooms for supporting our Bini. Of course, always. And for watching this channel and video. For supporting this channel and watching those videos. Ewan ko, tama na. Lutang si ate mo girl. And see you on my next reaction video. Bye!